Hey everyone, what's up? I am Madison Miller and this is...
I'm Bailey Sarian.
And we are IPSY creators.
Today we are going to be using some items that we purchased from IPSY Shopper.
Yeah.
What do we do with those items, Madison?
Dude, we created this awesome look that is inspired from New York Fashion Week, like the spring trends on the runways. It's beautiful.
Yes, and it's just very vivid and it can be very everyday for some of us out there, but maybe a special occasion.
So if you guys want to see how we got this look, then just keep watching.
I'm taking out my ring just because I'm gonna use the back of my hand and I don't want, it always gets in my ring. I forgot my metal palette. I hate that. Anyway, so I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way medium to full coverage oil-free foundation.
I'm warm beige and I go a little bit darker because once I like add my concealer and bake, it always goes a shade lighter on me for some reason. It's
Very
actually
nice.
pretty hydrating of a foundation. And I would say it's like a medium coverage and it's buildable. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Natural Radiant Concealer. Basically, it goes really well with their foundation and it's very hydrating underneath the eyes, which is nice. So if you have like a dry under eye, this is a good one to go to. I'm going in the shade light because it's a little bit more pinky.
I'm still blending my foundation.
All right, so I'm gonna go in with my favorite setting powder. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder.
I'm currently concealing all of last night's mistakes. Just using a lot.
So I just let that bake on my face.
I'm falling behind.
And I'm gonna go to my brows.
Wait for me.
For brows, I'm gonna use the BrowGal by Tanya Crooks. This is in the shade Blonde. And it also has a spoolie on this end.
So I like to use the Estee Lauder Double Wear Maximum Cover. This is a face and body foundation. I have the shade 1 and 3 Creamy Vanilla. I have hyperpigmentation and it's the only thing that covers it. So I just tap it over that. It's waterproof, which I like.
It's nice because then you can like take this on the outer parts of the face and have it like a little bit lighter and have like your skin very glowy, and then use the targeting one for more like where you need more coverage.
Spot correcting.
Because this definitely is like medium coverage, which I love for like every day though.
Oh yeah. I haven't used it, so I'm very excited.
I love it. You gotta let me know.
Ethereal setting powder. Does it have like a glow to it?
No.
No?
We have a really good tip for you guys.
What?
When at the end though, with the MAC Fix Plus.
Oh yeah.
Of how it like truly saves your skin.
I've been giving my face a break.
Smart. Your skin looks really good.
It's been paying off. My face for the first time in like a while looks decent.
So do you take the MAC Fix Plus now and like?
No. Well, yeah, you can.
Oh, I can?
Yeah. So drench your face.
Okay.
Like saturate it. That was intense. Yeah. Now don't touch it. You let it dry completely and your skin will just, it melts the foundation, the powder, and everything together. So it just looks like skin. So I also have the BrowGal by Tanya Crooks.
The first one was shade Taupe, and the next one is shade
Espresso. I like my brows dark though.
Espresso or Espresso?
Oh, sorry, Espresso. I'm using 2 colors. So now I'm going in with the Taupe, and I'm gonna use this at the beginning of my brow.
I'm gonna use the highlighter pencil from the BrowGal, and this one is in shade Champagne. So you have a matte side and you also have a shimmer side. So I'm gonna use this one just to kind of carve out, like the matte side to carve out my brows, and then do the shimmer one right here. I'm gonna go into the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Soleil. This is the Soleil, so this is matte, and this one has more of a shimmer. It has like gold-like shimmer in it. So this is really pretty to bronze the skin and warm up the face, and then this one's really pretty to contour with because it's more matte.
I got all these things on Shopper, and guess how much I got back?
30%?
Is that how much?
Yeah.
Dang! I could buy more. I like to set my under eye with the MAC powder. MAC Studio Fix. This powder's nice because you can use it as just your foundation on its own. You don't have to layer this over anything because it gives you anywhere from a light to medium coverage. It's the best. It gives a nice coverage. I love it.
All right, so I'm gonna go into one of my favorite blushes. This is OFRA Bellini. This is a gorgeous like apricot shade. So pretty.
I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Matte, medium deep matte bronzer.
See, look how pretty this blush is.
It is. It makes your eyes pop.
Ah, this is like my favorite shade to wear. I love these type of shades for blushes. They're just very like fresh looking. All right, so I need a highlight now, and this is the OFRA Rodeo Dry. This one is beautiful. Look at that. You could just see it in the.
Wow.
It's so pretty.
I think I have that one at home. I really like it. I love Fix Plus.
You can just see it. Oh.
So I'm gonna use the OFRA blush in Bellini as well. Oh, that highlight is pretty.
Isn't it pretty?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Can I use that highlight?
Yes.
Woo!
So pretty.
This one is the Rodeo Drive.
Check out the highlights.
Excuse me? What did you say? What? We're on Rodeo Drive right now, baby.
You ready for the eyes?
Yes, so I'm actually using my Estee Lauder Double Wear Max Bulk Coverage for 6 Extreme Coverage Foundation. So I always use this to prime my eyes, and a tiny bit goes such a long way. Excuse you.
Sorry. Are we on the...
Sorry, I just keep seeing things I need to fix. So I'm like low-key redoing my whole face.
They always tell me she takes a really long time for her makeup tutorials.
Excuse me? Who says that? Tell me, is it this guy right here who says that? I can't help it, okay? Perfection takes time. Okay, so Madison, you always do like natural or neutral toned eyes. So I'm gonna show you how to do a more like vivid eyeshadow look, or like a graphic, vivid liner look. So we primed our eyes. That's key step number 1. Number 2, we're gonna use this long wear waterproof gel eyeliner, and this is by Absolute New York. So anytime you're using a brighter color, do a white or a cream first and it'll be golden.
Ooh.
So I'm gonna do like just a thick line on my lid. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you can also customize it. So if you don't necessarily want like a thick line at home, you could just do a thin line. So now we're gonna wing it out like we do a winged liner. So I just start at the edge. I like to do it with my eye open, and then I connect it inwards. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect. The nice thing about working with a liner is it's easy to clean up because it's a cream. So I'm gonna take a little bit of like my foundation and like a small brush. I want it to be a little bit higher. So now I'm taking the Nomad Cosmetics, and this is an eyeshadow called Tropicana. And you can use any like a bright eyeshadow, just one, or you can use multiple, it's up to you. I wanna do like a yellow.
I'm obviously gonna go with Tiffany Blue because I love this color. It's so pretty. This is called Cachorros. Cachorros.
Woo! So now we're just gonna go right over the white. The eyeshadow is gonna stick to the liner, and it's gonna make it super intense, giving us a very vivid and bold liner look.
I feel like my look is so icy, like ice, ice, baby.
Sure, Madison. Cute. Now we could put on like lashes. You could add more if you wanted to, but I mean, this is just really simple, easy. It's a nice pop of color, especially when you're wearing all black like we are. That's nice. Do you like it?
I like it.
I mean, we're
just
not
feel like I
done,
need
but-
something in my crease.
Well, can you not need something?
Yeah, I cannot need something.
Okay.
I cannot eat it.
Add a matte color. So I'm doing just right at the edge of the lid. So if you must add something, you like that?
Boom, yeah. I needed like dimension.
So now we're gonna do mascara. This is my favorite mascara, and I'll tell you why, because I'm also a freelance makeup artist, if you don't know, and you can't share mascara wands on people because it's just unhygienic. You're gonna give people pink eye. You can't do it.
You should tell them what the mascara is.
Oh. I should tell you what the mascara is. Is that why you're looking at me like, Bailey,
Yeah,
shut
I
up? Sorry guys, this is the EYEKO London Rock Out and Lash Out Mascara.
Hourglass wands really help the lashes to really get a lot of volume in it, and like a good curl too.
I like to put shadow down here sometimes because I feel like I have a lot of wrinkles and texture.
What about doing white on the...
I was just thinking that on your eye, it would be really pretty.
Oh yeah, that's pretty.
You look very 60s mod. I'm gonna do these lashes from Red Cherry Lashes. They are number Jennifer.
I'm gonna do these lashes from Red Cherry Lashes, and these ones are from Anne.
Ooh, just call me Jennifer.
All right, on the snap of our fingers, we will be back with lashes on. 1, 2. Boom, lashes on.
Lashes really finish and polish the look. They're always optional though.
I think it's gorgeous. I love the way that your eyes are just like pulled up and fresh looking, and like the almond shape of your eyes.
Oh, thanks.
So pretty.
I love yours. Let's just talk about each other's.
Yeah.
So anyways, I love yours. I love the color.
I love the color too.
I love the shape, everything. It looks really good.
We're gonna finish this look up. We're gonna put some lip color on. We have the Kokie Cosmetics Lip Veneer Cream Gloss. Mine is in the shade Invincible.
Mine's Liquid Lipstick Matte Rouge. You have the gloss?
I have the gloss. What shade is yours in?
Oh, I'm so sorry. It's Less is More. Oh, you're just so pretty. Wow, I love that color.
I think it goes really well with the teal too.
Yeah.
All right, so here is the completed makeup look. This turned out beautiful. Thank you, Bailey, for teaching me step by step of how to create this. It's gorgeous. So what's great about all these products that you can get them on IPSY Shopper, and you can also save money back on them, which is a huge plus in my book. Big thumbs up there.
Yeah.
Right?
I mean, I love saving money.
I know.
I mean, I talk about all the time on my channel, I am cheap. So this is great for me.
I love it. And then you save money, you get money back, and you can just go buy more.
Yeah.
Which is like,
there's always
2
something,
thumbs up.
whether it's like a mascara, a liner, or like a lip color, or a foundation. Like there's always something you like need.
and you can stock up too and save even more money on the products.
Totally. Ta-da.
All right, you guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to check out IPSY Shopper, and we'll see you in future videos. Bye.
Bye.